Did you just get a new iPhone 13 and having problems with your CarPlay? If so, you came to the right place. I'm going to show you how to fix that.
Open settings in your iPhone. Scroll down to music. Tap music settings. Find EQ. Tap EQ. There should be a check mark next to late night. We don't want that, so we want to turn that off. Close your settings, go back to Apple CarPlay, and try it again. Everything should work now.
All right, simple as that. That's it. If it worked for you, please give it a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, please pass it on to friends and family so they can get their iPhone 13 hooked up and connected to their CarPlay and running flawlessly and back in the game. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it, and I'll catch you later.